Already struggling with rising living costs, ordinary Europeans now face another blow to their finances, with the conflict in Ukraine pushing fuel and food prices even higher. As the plan to phase out oil imports from Russia takes shape, the economic cost of the war is hitting home.
Absurd. 15 days ago, nobody could think about it. The problem is not the price it will be tomorrow, but how much it will cost in 15 days. I think bad times are coming, but we will have to deal with it.
Here in London, people are seeing a ripple effect of the Russian invasion at the petrol pump. Prices have been rising steadily since January and have now reached a new record high. And this could have a knock-on effect on the cost of transported goods and the cost of living. Russia is the world's second largest exporter of oil. The EU imports 27% of its oil from Russia, the UK a little less than 10%, and the US just 8%, which is why Europe will feel the effect of the ban far more acutely than the US. The EU also plans to cut its dependency on Russian gas by 2/3 this year. That's 26% of its supply.
This will end our over-dependency and give us much-needed room to manoeuvre. 2/3 by the end of this year. It's hard, bloody hard, but it's possible if we're willing to go further and faster than we've done before.
But experts say this decision will mean difficult compromises.
Hitting that target will be very challenging. If they do that, I think everyone has to be aware of the consequences. There'll have to be additional use of nuclear, which is supposed to be phased out in certain countries. There'll have to be more coal use, which won't help climate goals. There was even a point that said, turn your thermostat down 1 degree. And that has a major impact on potential gas use.
The payoff of this eventual ban is that European consumers will no longer be inadvertently funding the war in Ukraine, as EU oil purchases alone put $285 million a day in Russian pockets. And the move towards cleaner, greener energy will be accelerated. But the timing means the risk of inflation and recession looms larger than ever. Charlie Angela, Al Jazeera, London.